Jordan and Norway have carried out projects. Why? To protect our nature. شو رأيكم? Now I have a question for you. What other projects do you think, not from the book, right? Or not from the text that we read, right? Do you think can be carried out to what? To protect nature. شو برأيكم؟ شو في مشاريع انتو في بالكم انه ممكن انه نحن نطلقها او ننفذها حتى انه نحمي الطبيعة؟ Yes, what do you think? Maybe we should what? Establish بدنا نأسس what? Non-hunting zones. في مناطق ممنوع فيها إنه تصيدوا. Okay? Maybe we should establish non-grazing zones. كمان مناطق إنه ممنوع فيها الرعي. مش وين مكان الغنمات يعني إنه يروحوا مثلا. Okay? I think they are the most important projects. Maybe we can set up a project to what? To raise awareness. What's the meaning of raise awareness? يعني بدنا نرفع مستوى الوعي or spread awareness. ممكن إنه نشر الوعي about what? The importance of protecting nature. حماية الطبيعة. Right? طيب. Now, what causes climate change do you think? شو السبب بتغير الكلايمت اللي نحن بنعيش فيه؟ Okay? Then, do you think that climate change is important? Yeah. I think that this is my point of view. I think that the main cause or the main reason for a climate change is carbon dioxide. أنا أعتقد إنه ثاني أكسيد الكربون which comes or the main reason for CO2 is what? Is pollution. So I think that we have to what? To reduce or what? To stop what? Pollution. Yes, I think that climate change is very important. Yeah, because it can affect what? Both animals and the plants. For example, it can damage what? It can damage crops, right? If the climate change suddenly, then we have floods, for example, or a drought. So everything will die. What about you? Could you just try to think of answers for those two questions?